So the Dailymotion Smart TV strategy is focused around usages, meaning that we want to adapt our TV applications to usages, meaning that when a user is watching a TV, it doesn't make any difference between a TV channel and a Smart TV application, meaning that until now almost all TV applications were mostly based on browsing, meaning that there was an adaptation of web application put on the TV. But in fact, for the user, from the user perspective, the main difference is that they want to watch TV when they are on the TV. When they are in their couch, they want to have a simple and very straightforward application. And so that's why we change from a browsing application to a lean-back application, meaning that now, when the user is launching the Dailymotion application, some videos are starting right away, and it's more like an interactive TV channel than a browsing application. So it's the core of our strategy is to adapt that application to the usages and to the needs of the user, meaning that what we provide as content is some content adapted to that user and content adapted also to the partner we are working with for that application.
And where do mobile devices fit into this picture?
In fact, you can see the mobile device and tablet devices, of course, in two ways. It could be a primary screen at first, meaning that when the user is watching TV, often is doing something else on his smartphone or on a tablet, meaning that he is often on social networks, on Twitter and so on. And so what we do within Dailymotion is we bring the ability to the user to watch the content he is currently watching on his device, on his mobile device, directly on the TV. So using some standard protocol like AirPlay, DLNA, the next DL protocol, and so on. So our first direction is to give the ability to the user to send the video he's watching directly on the TV set, meaning that in that case the mobile device or the tablet is a primary screen and the TV set is only a renderer screen, so a secondary screen. And of course the second direction is to have a companion device. But I would say that what we observe currently internally within Dailymotion is that it's not the main usage being the first one. The second one is more to have a companion device, meaning that you can control the Smart TV application directly with your mobile.
Great. And finally, to what extent will Dailymotion be tailoring its approach to individual Smart TV platforms?
It's very important to us to tailor the approach of a Smart TV application for our distribution partners, meaning that each device manufacturer, each telecom operator, in fact, more generally, each partner have a different customer base usually. And so what we do is that we adapt all the curation we made within the application to the partner, to his customer base, and so on. So we are able to also to integrate directly an animation that is made directly by the partner. So meaning that if you are one of our partners, you can make your own playlist on Dailymotion, and we can put that playlist as the default animation within our application. And also we are also providing a full access to our APIs in order to enable the partner to integrate our content in their user experience, meaning that if you have a widget system, because some of our partners have a widget system, then in that case they can integrate within their widget directly the Dailymotion content. So they can also build some thematic applications like around cooking with recipes and so on. So everything is available using our APIs.
Great. And finally, what do you think of this year's event?
I really appreciate that event because we have a lot of partners there. So we can meet any kind of partner, meaning distribution partner, integration partners, content partners, and so on, and at the same place. So it's very interesting for us to be there.